guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be working on my 450 wheel horsepower STI, but not the motor. I have a pretty dope unboxing for you guys. It's a little lighting project I'm working on myself, and let me just take you right to the package. Alright guys, so here's the LED strip. I laid it out here nicely on my tailgate on my 2016 Ram Sport, and right here you see it has about 6 wires, and on this box right here it'll tell you the connections that you have to connect to create a different aspect. What I really like about this product is the fact that not only will it function as a brake light, but also it'll function as turn signal. It even has a show mode as well, which you can or you don't have to connect that. So this is a very simple unboxing, but the process can be a little more intricate, especially when it comes to wiring. So on with the install. Alright guys, alright. One of the most important things, if you're doing lighting work, guys, please take a little bit of time, and I shouldn't even have to tell you this, but obviously test out the product first. Make sure it works. So, got my 2 little holders right here. You can pick that up probably at AutoZone. I actually got these at freaking Kmart because they're closing down. But anyway, connect the black, red. Remember, this red has to be at constant power. Now, once you have the black connected to the ground, red to the positive, once you touch any other color to it, that's going to give you a different aspect. So now, this green wire right here, that'll be your show mode. Guys, check with your local state and county laws. This is in New York, this is illegal. You don't even have to hook that up. Yellow should be a turn signal. Really nice smooth strobe. Other turn signal. You can connect 2 yellows together. That's your hazard. And your white, that's your brake light. Pretty damn sweet. Alright guys, so as you can see from the back of the car, the light, that third brake light, is going to sit up there inside of the windshield, which is definitely going to help for us Subi guys, shining above that wing, so there's no obstruction to the guys behind us for like the taller vehicles and whatnot. So I think it'll be a great addition to whatever you already have. Like I already have my rally light down here. I even have this custom light I put in here that acts as a running light, turn signal, and a stop signal as well. Alright, so these are some of the tools that we're going to be using. We got right here an assortment of heat shrink for when you solder, but today I'll just be using some tabs just so I can just run through the methodology of which wire to use real quick. Obviously extra wire, continuity tester, and a wire stripper, which is a crimper, all in one. Alright guys, so next on the agenda, the main thing is you got to take this panel right here off and get to this panel right in there for the wires. Alright guys, real simple. Once you take out the panels from the inside of the car, you can get down to pretty much the schematics of your light housing. The Subaru one is real simple. It's just like this. This is usually this is the signal over here, reverse, the parking lights, and the brake is down here. But right here, it's a major junction. They actually made it easy. It's a major junction, and with your tester, you don't even really have to poke and tap into the wires. You can just touch the metal right here and test them out. So now you can just ask for some help. All you gotta do is make sure you connect that to a ground. Just tap in. Real nice and easy. Go ahead, hold it. Right here, that's the brake right here. Boom. Right there, that's perfect. Then I actually found this wire over here. This one here is constant power. I actually locked myself in the trunk and powered the car down, and it was still reading power. So I found my constant right here.
Alright guys, so once you finish your wire testing on this side, just do the same thing on the other side for the turn signal, and that's a wrap. All you gotta do is connect the wires, and that's coming up next. Don't forget, the yellow turn signal wire for the passenger side has to be joined and extended over before you crimp. Alright folks, here you go. Looks like a little bit messy, but trust me, it's really not that bad. Alright, finished it up. So that's the schematics, like piece of it right here. The white, which is the brake light, connects to there's a brown wire on that jumper. The turn signal connects to the gray. I actually hooked up the show mode to the yellow, which is the reverse light. I had for my fog light, I extended a piece of wire connecting to the ground right here. Extended the wire connected to the ground. I had an extra piece of wire. I had to take that all the way over to the other side and jumped it onto that turn signal. And the constant, it's up right there. It's a little bit bright, but that's what the constant is. Once I'm done, I'm gonna hide everything so you won't even know it's there. So we're inside the back of the car, and up to the top right here, take out these clips so you can actually pull that material down a bit, so that'll help you with the install. And the good thing about it is these seats right here, they actually just unlock like that. And so pretty much I could just run the wire right up here in the pillar. Just run the wire right up here in the pillar, just run it behind the seat and hide it in the trunk. That's pretty much it. I'll be with you in a second. Alright guys, so the previous day I lost a lot of daylight, so now the next day it's rainy and cold. That's why you see me in the garage, cramped in there. By the way guys, obviously clean down the surface so the strip is going to stick properly to the glass. And I love that sweater, damn it. Alright guys, so after a lengthy process, everything is all tied up neatly. Trunk is nice and neat. Just gonna put the lining back. That's it. I told you everything was just gonna be nice and hidden. You're not gonna be able to really see it once the lining goes back. And we're good to go. On to the final test. Hey guys, just a heads up, I decided to change the name of my channel from Wicked STI to Wicked Whips due to the fact that I might not have my STI forever. But not only that, I also will be working on my truck as well, and I will always have dope ass cars in my garage. So thank you John and Ethan, and I hope you guys enjoy the content to come. The final piece right here, this is the final test to see all the features of this third brake light that I installed. Here we go. Alright guys, here's the final test. That's the brake light right there. On the release, there's two nice smooth strobes. Left turn signal. Now you got the right turn signal, and even though the bottom is faster, the top still syncs with it perfectly. You got the hazards coming up. Now we got the reverse. I wired the show mode right into the reverse. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember, it's just the tip.